Hey y'all, today I'm going to be changing the oil on my Lexus GX460. My car is a 2012, but this oil change can really apply to any of the years of this specific vehicle. So follow along and let's go see how Courtney does it. So I'm using my Halo lift to make this job easier. I'll be uploading a more in-depth video on it and why I chose the lift that I did, but more to come on that, so stay tuned. I started by lowering the front skid plate by removing 4 12mm bolts. The plate has tabs towards the front that allow it to swing down, so no need to like fully remove it for an oil change. Next, I removed the oil drain plug using a 14mm socket. My car was missing the access cover when I got it, and honestly, I see no reason to replace it. It just saves time. As you can see, this job can get just a little bit messy. Here I remove the oil filter. Lexus and many Toyotas require a special oil filter wrench. So I'll include a link below to one that I recommend that also comes with a threaded funnel. So I'm notorious for getting dirty while working, but the show must go on. So now let's replace the oil filter and O-ring. Always lubricate the new ring and wipe down excess oil from the outside of the housing. And note that all filters will sometimes come with parts that allow for use in other vehicle applications, so you don't necessarily have to use all of the parts, but simply replace like what you see in your car and then you're good to go. Install the new filter and snug down the filter cap. There's a specific torque setting, but I find for these that just a good snug fit works well with no leaks. Then wipe off any excess oil from the drain plug and reinstall it. And you should replace the crush washer, but I only do that every few oil changes and it works fine for me. But again, just snug it down hand tight with a ratchet wrench. Now I'm going to reinstall the skid plate. I always place my bolts in the same pattern so I know which ones went where, because some are longer than others and I just like to make everything just the exact same as I found it. All right, time to refill with oil. I measured and we drained about 7.5 quarts of oil, so I'm going to refill it with the exact same amount. Lexus calls for 0W20 fully synthetic oil, and I'm using the Valvoline Restore and Protect because I've seen some really great results with it on another project that I will also be sharing soon. My Lexus has 120,000 miles on it, so it can't hurt to show it a little bit of loving. That concludes my oil change on my Lexus. Please like, subscribe, comment. Let me know what other videos you'd love to see from me. So happy to make this kind of content for you guys. And we'll see you in the next video.